Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, and let me show you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to tap on the display option. As you can see under the wallpaper, we've got the sleep, so let's tap on it, and here we've got some options to choose from. We can set either 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5 or 10 minutes. Now we've got 1 minute applied, but if you want to change it, just tap on the time you want to use, for example 5 minutes. Let's tap on it. As you can see, it has been immediately marked. So we can go back, and it also appears right here, so it means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.